Hello everyone, how's it going? My name is Mark. I'm from Cryptomode, and today I will be talking about Ethereum's price. So, we are trading at 274. Things are looking pretty bad, but they could be worse. So we did hit a low of 250 last week. Was that last week? Yeah, early last week we did hit a low of 250, and since then we were able to recover quite a bit. We touched 320, and then we're right back down to 270. But personally, as long as we're above 250, I think things are going to be okay. But as soon as we start, touching 250 again, people are going to start panic selling, and the market may topple down. So what is going on? Why is Ethereum's price falling? Personally, I believe it's because the ICO hype has died down. People are no longer investing in ICOs. They're not putting millions of dollars in ICOs. They're a lot more cautious with their money. And because a lot of ICOs were based on the ERC20 token standard, which is based on the Ethereum blockchain, well, 2 plus 2 equals 4. So when ICOs are doing bad, which is based on the Ethereum blockchain, people are not really interested in Ethereum in turn, because Ethereum was a huge vehicle for all these ICOs. And now that they're kind of over, Ethereum is seeing the backlash of that. However, things are not looking too bad, because Ethereum is still a great currency. One of its biggest benefits is the smart contracts platform that it has Solidity, which is a great language. It has been worked through many times. Has a lot of work been put into it, and it's very simple to create a smart contract. A lot simpler than a lot of other cryptocurrencies. Yes, it has some issues with transaction speeds and transaction backlogs and transaction throughput. That's what I'm putting. So it might not have as big of a scalability of some of the other cryptocurrencies, but people are, I think, Ethereum Plasma. People are working on Ethereum Plasma, which is a new way to kind of package transactions and increase the amount of transactions Ethereum can handle. So again, like I said, the ICO hype died down, so people are no longer really interested in ICOs, and because Ethereum was the main blockchain that ICOs were based on, Ethereum's price is falling. However, again, like I said, smart contracts are still a thing, and there's a lot of companies that are working with Ethereum's blockchain to create next big smart contract. So, for example, the owners of St. Regis Aspen Resort in Colorado are now selling Ethereum-based real estate security tokens with help from the crowdfunding site Indiegogo. So you can still issue these smart contracts, real estate, time lock transactions, for example, are really cool. One of the things is, for example, you want to leave some money to your grandkids, and you don't want them to have the money until, 30 years from now. So you can create a smart contract that will only release the coins 30 years from now. And it's really easy to do with Ethereum. You can probably do it in a few lines of code. Solidity X is a great language. It's been worked on a lot and has a lot of work been put into it. You can make decentralized DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations through it. Ethereum is overall a great platform. That's what I'm trying to say. So just the fact that we're not doing so well right now with the price doesn't really mean anything. Yes, we halved in price in the last 30 days. However, as fast as things go down, things can go up just as fast. So let's look at the charts a little bit. Usually when we're kind of in a weird position like this, when we haven't really tested 250 too much, it went up and we're still slumping back down, I like to take a look at RSI, Relative Strength Index. So that's just based on the movement and calculates kind of how, what's going on. So taking a look at RSI, we saw here, when Ethereum peaked, I'm looking at here, when Ethereum peaked at 295, the RSI went over this threshold. So this threshold here, the 70 to 30. If the RSI is above 70, that means the market is overbought. And when it's below 30, it means it's oversold. So overbought means too many people bought, so most likely it'll come right back down. Oversold means too many people sold, so the market should come back up. So if you want to have a good run up, you want to stay within the 70 to 30 range. So let's take a look a little bit here. Oh my god, what happened? No, I lost my RSI. Okay, let me get back. Okay, sorry about that. Look here. Let's take a look at some good runs we had with Ethereum. We'll have to go way back. Okay, here. How about this? So here we have some good runs, and you can see when the RSI goes above this threshold, the market topples down, and the best place is for it to stay in this threshold. So if it does pass the 70, we want it to really come back down ASAP so that the market can keep moving up. So that is kind of like what happened here. The RSI didn't go above the level, but it instantly dropped, and here we're seeing the market dropping again and keep going up. So ideally, we want the RSI to be in between those two levels. So if you take a look at the current RSI, it is in between here. So that means that the market movement should be good to go. We should be able to stay above 250 and hopefully push back to the 300 level. The thing with Ethereum, it is valued a lot. Only it's worth 250, instead of Bitcoin's 6,000. So as fast as things can go down, they can also go right back up. So I wouldn't lose hope. A lot of people are trying to buy the bottom. Personally, I don't know if it's definitely risky to buy right now, but if you believe that 250 is quite a low number, I think it wouldn't be too bad of a position to buy in now. Because honestly, even if Ethereum does drop to 200, you're down 25%. That's not as bad, and I really don't see Ethereum dropping below 150. I think Ethereum still has quite a ways, and even if Ethereum does drop below 150, I would try to get some more, because nothing is stopping it from going back to the $1,000 levels. The only reason, again, it went up was because all the hype of the ICO. So the next hype is going to be smart contracts. We're just waiting for the next company to come up with the next best smart contract and attract a lot of users and a lot of attention, and that will definitely propel Ethereum's price way up. Again, just want to reiterate that I personally think that as long as we stay above 250, things should be good. So right now we're at 274. Hopefully we can use that as support rather than touching 250 again. However, if we do fall below 250, I think there might be some panic selling, because I don't know, when was the last time we were at 250? Let's take a look. I think that was quite, it was a very long time ago. So it's not going to be good if we go right back down. So I think that's about it for today. We'll try to keep you guys updated on the price. We'll have some new price analysis coming tomorrow, so stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Mark. I'm from Cryptomode, and I'll see you guys next time.